2024 Cruisin the Coast, and we are down at the Autocross track. And is it happening? It's blowing up. Look at this guy. He probably got in trouble for all that shenanigans because he knocked over all the cones, most of them. But I thought, hey, Vinnie and I were down here in the Camaro, and I said, man, this place is rocking. I got to get live and show people. Unfortunately, today's the last day, and we've been meaning to get down here. Well, I think we were down here on Monday maybe? I don't know, Monday, Sunday. It all runs together. And we watched some autocross, but there wasn't a lot of cruisers down here. It was most of the professionals, and they were giving a lot of ride-alongs, because that's the other cool thing. Even if you don't have a car, you can come down here and get in the car and do a ride-along. So, but today when we showed up, man, cruisers are everywhere. And a lot of cool cars. If you're registered for Cruisin the Coast, even next year, it probably will still be happening. If you're registered for Cruisin the Coast, you can come down here and run the autocross track. And you all spend all that money on all them Detroit speed parts and all that. This is a good place to come test it. Much better than on some public road somewhere. They have the track set up, they have timing, they have everything you need to know. And it's at the Coliseum, back by the parking garage. But you can see, there's all kinds of stuff. People come down here and just having a good time. Look at this. I don't know, I'm from the Boss Hog generation, so I don't know. I love anything that's got the big cow horns on it. And I'm a surprise Vinnie. So all week Vinnie, my buddy Vinnie, is been here, and he's driving me around, and we're doing the registered participant thing. And I haven't shot a feature of his car. He's still working some things out on it, so I hadn't shot a feature of his car yet. But one, I wanted y'all to know what we were riding around in when you saw the videos, because I may do some actually riding and driving down the coast videos. Very nice car, chassis car, 68 Camaro. It's got an LS3. Paint and body is the way that he got it. Interior, same thing. He let that go because that wasn't what was important. He bought some nice wheels. He got a chassis. He put an LS3 up under it. He paid somebody to do it, but nevertheless, it's been done. Last year we had it down here. It had a little bit of an issue, you know, a shakedown. Didn't go as planned, and so we couldn't use it a lot. And now it's had a year under its belt, and it's doing great this year. So, anyways, Vinnie, thanks for all you do, brother. And what a cool car. We're going to get a feature shot on it. Like I tell people, you know, when you shoot a video, then it's forever. So you want to make sure that it's right. And he's got a really nice car. It's going to be, he's got just a few more things he wants to do to it. So once we get through that, y'all get to see Vinnie's Camaro. 2024, Cruisin the Coast. We're actually at the Autocross event. Again, if you are a registered participant for the Cruisin the Coast event, you can come down here and run your car on the Autocross. If you want to, or if you ever wanted to, take a ride in one of these cars with a professional driver, they have the ride-along program down here. Come down, they'll be glad to do that for you. Cruisin the Coast itself is an event unlike any other. But then you add in something like this, where you can actually, you know, bring your car and test it and drive it and have fun you know, for a whole week. Well, not for a whole week, but it starts on Monday, Sunday, Monday, and goes to today, Wednesday. So they give you plenty of time. You can wear out a couple set of tires, but just cool, very cool. Big shout out to Cruisin the Coast for putting all this on and making it happen. And man, just an awesome week. If y'all have never been here, you got to put it on your bucket list. You got to do it. And once you do it once, you'll be back every year, I promise you. So there you go, from Cruisin the Coast 2024 and the Autocross event. See ya!